Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create buttons in Figma quickly and easily. First, open your Figma project and select the Frame tool or press F to create a rectangle where your button will be. Adjust the size, corner radius, and color to match your design style. You can make it rounded or sharp depending on your preference. Next, add text inside your button using the Text tool or T. Type the label like Submit or Click Me and center it inside the button frame. Use the alignment tools to make sure your text is perfectly centered horizontally and vertically. Now, to make it interactive, you can group the text and button by selecting both and pressing Ctrl-G or Command-G. Optionally, go to the Prototype tab and set a click interaction to simulate a hover or press effect. And that's it! You've created a clean, professional button in Figma that's ready for your UI design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!